Okay, so today we're going to look inside this sport button from the automatic gearbox of our Jaguar XK8, part number LNC6220AA. Now I'm looking inside this because I'm looking to potentially change these bulbs to LEDs as per the aircon unit and the main switch panel and the center console. In order to look inside, you have to undo these 4 tabs using a small screwdriver, 2 each side. So I get the screwdriver in there, just lever it out. I've done this a couple of times now, so it's getting looser. It's very tight the first time you do this. Being careful here not to break anything. These sport switches obviously are becoming rarer and rarer, and we don't want to break it. This is actually a spare one I have. As all Jaguar enthusiasts, you seem to collect lots of spares. If you've got lots of unnecessary spares, please let us know in the comments. So there you go, the lid comes off. Let's have a quick look at that. You can see the S is clear, so that's actually illuminated in the green or blue colour, and you can just see this little window there, which is actually the window for the red on light. If we actually look at the electronics itself, the red on light is this bulb here. There's a spring mechanism and some sort of spring catch here, which I think is the bit that tends to fail when your button doesn't lock in place in sport mode. And this is your blue background colour bulb, which sometimes it seems to light up green for some reason, but they are blue bulbs. And this is the one I want to change to an LED, ideally. You can just pull the circuit board off the socket carefully, not to break the pins. So let's put the plastic socket down to one side. You've got the pins there. I've lost the spring. Yeah, it's still there. So I'm looking to try and unsolder these 2 pins there and solder in an LED. I'm not sure which is positive, negative, so I'm going to probably have to have a guess. I can find out the polarity of the LED bulb, but I'm not sure which is positive and negative on this. What I will do, when I've found out, I will follow up with another video as to what it was, so anybody else trying to do it, they can have the benefit of that experience. I mean, I'm hoping handling it is not damaging it. He says with fingers crossed. Putting it back together then, locate the pins fairly easily, get your spring, careful not to lose that, and then assemble it on here. There's a little tube inside there, I don't know if you can see that. Get a good camera angle there. Can you just see that tube inside where the spring is contained? The light isn't the greatest here. There you go. So you line that up with the tube, and it should go on something like that. And then clip back together. There you go. And that's the inside of a Jaguar sports button, if anybody's interested. It's not actually depressing down, so I'm going to have to, I think I've not put it back together correctly, so I'm going to cut off camera now and redo it, but that's roughly how you take one apart. Obviously make sure you line up the spring. Let's have a quick look. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe for more XK8 videos. And keep watching if you want me to do it properly. Alright, getting the tabs again. Apologies, that wasn't supposed to be a long video, but it's ended up one. As with messing back with all cars, everything takes much longer than it shows on the YouTube videos, and this is another good example I think I've mislocated the spring. I've missed the tube there. Let's line that up with the tube. There, I've got it this time. You've got to get it into that tube. Ah, success. And in this case, the button's working. It's engaging and disengaging properly. There you go. Thanks again for watching. Please press the like button if you like it, and send us a comment if there's any bits of the Jaguar XK8 you want us to take apart and take a look at for you. And once I've done the LED bulb, I say I'll do another video for you. Cheers, thanks very much for watching. Goodbye.